Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Terra Luna just to run some technical analysis and taking a look at where the price could actually go over the next few weeks. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, I just wanted to say that we now have a Patreon account where you will find a weekly risk metric dashboard, custom charts, tips on when to buy and sell. You will also be able to see what I personally buy and sell as well as my average buy price, and all of this for only €9 a month. So check it out if you are interested, of course. And without further ado, let's get into this one. Now, since the last time we have talked about Terra in this channel, the price just skyrocketed, going from $50 all the way up to $96 in a matter of days. And by the way, this happened after we managed to hold this 200 days moving average, and it seems like there has been a lot of hype around Luna in the last couple of days. It's also fair to say that Luna is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies this market cycle so far. I mean, its price was only at $8 a year ago, and despite everything happening with the cryptocurrency asset, the price is only down about 24% from the all-time high, which is impressive considering that Bitcoin is down 44%, Ethereum is down 49%, and then you have got alts like Cardano, Solana, DOT, or even Chainlink that are down between 65 and 75%. So being down 24% when everything else is getting hammered is quite impressive. You don't see that every day, to be honest, in the cryptocurrency asset, because technically speaking, when Bitcoin goes down 10%, alts tend to go down 15 to 20%, if not more. So we can say that Luna is holding well. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator on a daily time frame, we can see that the red RSI just went below the level of 50, triggering calls for a downward pressure. However, you have to keep in mind that the blue LSMA is still up high right here, playing its role as support. And also you have to keep in mind that the green line is back up. So to me, this move looks similar to what we had back in here. We have got a decent move to the upside in the last couple of days. A lot of people tend to take their profits and wait for better opportunities, and so the price just drops a little bit before continuing to higher levels. So it's totally normal. Now, what we need right here is the red RSI to head back up again. Like in here, in order for the upward pressure to prevail, we need our line to look like this, which is definitely possible. And at that time, we can confidently say that Terra, that Luna of course, will head back up and get within proximity to this local top. Now, if we move on the macro scale, and by macro scale I mean on the weekly time frame, we can see that the red RSI is super close to go above this mid-yellow line. And if that happens, then Terra will start rallying. The bullish phase will start again. If you go back in time to 2020, you can see that the price just went up by more than 200% after the red RSI went above this mid-yellow line, triggering calls for an upward pressure. The same thing happened in here. Look, red RSI goes up and upward pressure starts, and so the price just skyrockets. And this move right here, which started in July, and last July, in the summer I mean, wasn't any different. So I would honestly expect the same thing if, keep in mind I'm saying if the red RSI manages to go above this mid-yellow line. We currently still have a little bit of sideways movement on the daily time frame, so I would honestly expect us to stay in the current range between $75 and $86 to $87 until this red RSI trends up higher again. Now, if the red RSI doesn't go up, which is possible, then we have got a problem, because the lower that red RSI goes, the bigger the correction will be. Look in here, for example, the red RSI fell down and it couldn't trend up again. And so the price just kept on going down for about 2 weeks in here. I personally don't hold Luna. However, I think it's an amazing project. I have read about it a lot lately. I didn't focus much on it in the past, but the idea of creating a stable coin and burning your own cryptocurrency in order to create more stables will just keep pushing Luna up on the bigger picture. The more UST grows and becomes used, the bigger Terra will be. Tether has been here since 2015, and we all know that it's not fully backed. And although Tether has played a huge role in pumping this market, as they just print as many USDTs as they want, I think it's time we build more trust in the space, as it's fair to say that Tether has been super shady throughout these years. There is also DAI, which is the best stablecoin in my opinion, but it's great to see diversity in the space. UST is now the 4th biggest stablecoin by market cap, and we aren't that far from BUST in market cap, of course, which is Binance's stablecoin. So we'll keep an eye on Luna, as I believe that it will impress. My opinion is that the cryptocurrency asset is going through a rough time. My opinion has been the same since November and it hasn't really changed. And I still think that March won't be good for bulls, and I also believe that the second half of this month will be super painful. However, in the long run, Luna looks really promising. This was about it guys for Luna today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you feel comfortable doing so. Have a nice day and peace.